How to update your contact information in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Scroll down to the Preferences section and click Contact Information. Update your existing email address if you wish to update. Make sure it is correct. You can also add your secondary email address. These email addresses will be used to receive notifications and password reset confirmations. You can choose to be notified when you are approaching your disk quota, bandwidth usage limit, or SSL certificate expiry. You can also fill in your preferences about notification on auto SSL failures by checking or unchecking the option buttons. We recommend you retain the default setting. Now click the Save button. That's it. We have successfully updated the contact information in cPanel. Thank you for watching.